It's a pleasant bright morning. Let's see what's everyone doing in our garden. Looks like Pete is holding something in his hand. Isn't that a fishing net?
Oh wow, what is this?
That is a fishing net, Charlie. Pete is trying to fish some crabs with it.
You have to knot one end of the net on your hand and hold. Then swing the net and throw it far into the water like this. And pull it out when a crab is caught in it.
Wow, it's awesome! You fish crabs brilliantly!
Hey, do you know how many crabs I have caught? Have a look. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 crabs.
I'll also catch. Allow me!
Okay, then promise that you will not knot up the net. Fine?
I promise I won't do anything to your net.
Okay, take it. Now hold this end with both of your hands.
Yeah.
And now, using your hands, throw the net into the water as far as you can. What you are doing? Hey, Charlie! You are such a clumsy pup, Charlie.
Charlie! Where have you disappeared? Charlie! You said you'll pluck apples for me. But Charlie, where have you gone now?
Okay, Kemi, I'm coming. Whoa, I'm coming.
Charlie, I need many apples today, you know? Everyone in the garden is eagerly waiting for my special apple pie.
Whoa!
You clumsy Charlie! All the apples will fall and get spoiled if you keep doing this. Okay. I'll pluck the apples one by one. So, are you ready to catch them?
I think that I am ready.
Don't worry, Charlie. I will teach you how to catch. First of all, lift both your hands up. Yes, good job. Very good.
Wow! This apple is perfectly ripe. Catch it, Charlie!
I got it. Achoo!
Oh no! Don't you know how to catch a single apple?
I would have caught the apple if I hadn't had to sneeze.
It's okay, don't worry, Charlie. You can catch it if you practice a little more.
Hey!
You have to wash an apple before eating it, Charlie!
Whoa! Apple!
Huh? Hey! Catch that squirrel first! He always takes just 2 bites and throws the apples away. Neither does he eat, nor does he let others eat.
Sorry, Kemi. That squirrel was too fast for me.
Yes. No one can ever catch him, Charlie. He always wins when we play run and touch. He always does that. Looks like I'm not going to make any apple pie today.
It's okay, Kemi. Look, there are so many other apples on the tree.
Don't you worry, Kemi. I will first practice to catch, then you pluck and throw down the apples for me.
Yes, but first you have to catch this water.
You clumsy Charlie. For once, please walk when you come.
Sorry, Tuba. I was trying to catch the water, but I fell down.
But it's impossible to catch water because water is very
Water runs very fast.
Oh, our Lily has a ball. Why don't you practice to catch with her, huh?
Kurr, 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 kurr. Catch, catch.
Hey!
Billy, Charlie has to practice how to catch. Then why are you catching the ball?
No, I thought I'd help Charlie to catch. Here, Tuba, catch.
Wow, brilliant catch, Tuba. Okay, this time Charlie will catch.
Let's see if you can catch this. Catch!
I will catch it! I will catch it!
Careful, Charlie, behind you!
You are such a clumsy fellow, Charlie.
Sorry, Pete. All your crabs have escaped because of me.
It's okay. I was just going to release them into the pond.
Charlie? Hey, Charlie! Hey, why everyone is playing here? I told you to catch apples, but you are catching crabs.
No, Kemi. I don't think I can catch anything at all.
Not really, Charlie. I think you need to think how to catch in Charlie style.
Huh? Charlie style? Yes! I've got it! Pete, can you give me your net again? Don't worry, Pete. I will return it to you safely. Huh.
I think Charlie has got an idea.
Oh, yes. First, we have to spread the net widely. Pete, please hold the other side of the net for me. Now throw down the apples, Kemi, and we will catch them with the help of this net.
Okay. Charlie, are you ready?
Ready!
Hey, brilliant idea, Charlie.
Oh, yes.
Kurr, kurr. Apple, apple. Kurr, kurr. Apple for Lily, apple for Lily.
I think the net is full now, isn't it, Charlie?
What? It's full? But I have to make so many pies. This is not enough. What do we do now?
Yeah. Don't worry, Kemi. We will catch the rest of the apples in this.
Charlie, didn't I tell you? I think now you know how to catch in Charlie style.
Yes, look in here. Look how many apples are in it. Kemi can make all the pies she wants, and others can eat however much they want.
Wonderful, Charlie. You are an intelligent pup indeed.
Yay!
Do you wish to see load of stories here? Then please subscribe this channel. Along with your friends and family, enjoy all the videos of Magic Box. Magic Box English, a place to learn lot of good things with happiness. Don't forget to subscribe.